So as far we done that RDF report we done, and XML publisher we done yesterday, BI publisher we done. Now today you will be going to see the XML publisher tables as well as that RTF layout tags, how to use tags and all. Okay. So as you know, right, where that executable is going to stored, FND executable, where concurrent program is stored, FND concurrent programs, TL or VL. Okay, where responsibility is stored, FND responsibilities, where request groups is stored, FND concurrent requests. Okay, so where request IDs, concurrent request IDs are so FND concurrent request. So like this, you have all the tables, right? The similar kind of where you can see that XML publisher related tables. Okay. So here let me show you. So yesterday we created some we registered a XML publisher, right? So how it will be going to let me show you that so that you can understand. Okay. So I think where we put it that some short code and concurrent programs. Right. So this is the yesterday one, right? So BI publisher short code, right? So as a technical person, you should have to know the complete backend tables and backend join conditions and all. Okay. So you should be going to know that all the things. So as you already know, right? So let me FND concurrent programs TL FND underscore concurrent underscore program underscore TL. Okay, so the from class is missed. Select star from. Okay, so you can see the table FND concurrent programs TL programs, not program programs TL. Right. So what is the concurrent program name? Where user concurrent program name. User, sorry. So user concurrent program name. So user concurrent program name is your whatever the concurrent program you have, you can going to put it. Okay. So now you can execute. You got it that right? So you can go and see this concurrent program is attached to which application. You can going to see attached to which responsibility. All these things you will going to know that. Okay. So how many this if you got this concurrent program ID, this concurrent program is submitted how many times? Got it right? How many times it is submitted by the in the concurrent request? Select star from FND concurrent requests. Concurrent requests. Okay, so where concurrent program ID? I don't want request ID here. Concurrent program ID. Concurrent program ID. So if you put the ID, so you will be going to know that how many times this request is submitted. You can see here. So total 4 times it is submitted. This 4 times you can going to see this. Now 4 times. So what type of parameters you passed also you can go and get it here. So here you can see that parameters also you can see in the concurrent request when it is submitted the concurrent request, what is the actual start date, what is the actual completion date. That means how much time it is taking this program to complete also. Okay, and also you can go and see this see here log files also. Log file means the whatever the log is generated.
Where are the parameters?
No, I will show you now. See this log file where the output
Yeah,
file is
yeah,
generated.
yeah.
Okay, so at the same time you can see parameters are this argument text.
Mm. Ah, okay.
Okay, so this is the parameters you can see.
Yeah, this
We
was
have
like our, yeah,
only one parameter we have.
it's
That is
one,
the
yeah.
reason it is showing only one parameter.
Mhm.
If you have multiple parameters, argument one, two, three, four, like
Three,
this,
okay,
we have
okay, okay.
all are in parameters only up to
Mhm,
argument 25.
mhm, mhm.
Understand? So
But
you can go,
if we have a concurrent program that requires more than 25, then we have to create a field, right?
yes, yes. So up to 25, it will be going to store here. Got it right?
Yeah, yeah, okay.
So these are very, very important. Okay. So did you got any chance where these tables are got stored, the XML publisher related stuff? Have you think of it that?
I think we did like we did in the first, in the
So
second
now,
class we did.
suppose now I switch back to the XML publisher. Okay. So if you go into the XML publisher, where that XML publisher tables are stored,
Mhm,
do you think of it that? So like this, all executable concurrent programs, application responsibility, concurrent requests, and all other related stuffs, right? You already know the tables and you can know the giants and all, right?
mhm, mhm,
So at the same time, so last 2 days, I mean the last two sessions, we are going to seeing that we have seen some XML publisher related stuff, right?
mhm, mhm,
So that XML publisher related stuff, where that what is the back end affected XML publisher administrator.
mhm,
Okay. So in the XML publisher administrator, you can see home, data definitions, and
mhm,
as well as the templates. Now, if it is a data template, see in the data template, you have your data template, right? So what is this one? This is the short code.
mhm.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So I will be going to copy and then maybe where I pasted. So I pasted in the down here. So now this one. So how do you going to query the your data definition? Can you help me? You have to put the code here
Code name. Yeah.
and then go.
Name we can put anything.
No, it's not coming because the short code is going to we put it into lowercase. Short code should be
Ah,
some
okay.
uppercase. Okay, so I will try to put directly this concurrent program name. So most of the cases, what is
It's
the
same.
same concurrent program name we are going to using
Yeah.
in here. Let's click on go. We can see. So now you can see, right?
Mm,
So you can click on here. So it will going to open it. So this is the way you can go and do the modification, the existing one data definition. You can see look like this. Now, how do you going to know this, where this data is going to stored, right?
mhm.
How are you going to know that? So
If we
you
go to,
have, right, you have, do you have anything about this page, right? You can see,
okay.
you can click on about this page and then you can go page is there. Okay, so this is the one page view
Mm,
and you can expand it here.
mhm,
And also you can go and expand the business components and you can see this SQL page,
mhm,
SQL queries you can going to see here. Okay,
mhm, mhm.
so here we can see the views and different what is the
Which
views,
are being used, yeah.
what is the translated items and what is the flexible items. Now here we can see that and then now you have to go into this page context and technology context. This is the versions, whatever the versions is used
Mm,
while developing this page. Okay.
mhm, mhm,
And then here you have to go. You can see the page context and
mhm,
also you can see some personalization.
mhm.
So we can't do any here, and definitely in the page level only you can go, madam. Okay. So here you have view objects.
Mhm.
Okay. At the same time, so data definition also you can see DES data definition and some other applications you have, and then now suppose I opened something data definition view. See SQL query you can see.
Mhm. Mhm.
You got me?
Mhm.
So this is the SQL query. In this SQL query, you can go and see more tables. Okay, whatever the tables you are going to looking on it, see data source code. Now the data source code is going to coming from where? Got it right? So maybe you can going to look at here. So this is the query you should have to understand. You can see somewhere the application short name DS. Okay, DS definition video view dot application short name. So the way they joined like this. Okay, so you can see more SQL queries. Okay, so
Mhm.
here we can see the above one, setup one, application one.
Mhm.
Excuse me. Okay, so now I will going to give you direct standard tables. Okay, what where it is going to show. So, but you should have to know something like this. Okay, so keep in mind how to look the
Is
OAF page
patches like it shows the versions that we have
uh,
implemented?
version, everything it will show. This information is going to store by. So these are the tables we have. All the data definitions, templates, and units and values. All these tables we have. Okay, this is called as the XML Publisher tables.
Mhm.
Keep in mind this is very important whenever you are going to working something like this. Okay, so here we have tables.
Mhm.
So here you can see, so here DS definitions B, this is the data definitions are going to stored here. Select star from table name.
Can you also put a comment for each table?
This is the table, right?
Yeah,
So
data type.
what do you know here? What do you know here? You know the data source code, right?
Uh-huh.
Data source underscore code equal to single quotes in the, you have already your data source code. What is that?
This
You
is
got it
the,
right?
yeah.
Okay, so you can go and get this information. See, you got your record right.
Mhm.
At the same time, you can see translated uh, things as well here. Select star from this TL translated related stuff. You can see translated. You can see the language enabled here.
Where?
Language, third column.
Yeah. No, that
In the above table, you can't see that language.
you have to
Are you
put
able to see?
where clause, no, for this. Yeah. Okay. You put.
Nothing, you can't get it, right?
Mhm.
So the down one, you can go and see the what is the join condition here we have?
Mm, where
Data
data
source
source
code.
code, where
So
data source code is it?
same you can
Mm.
going to put it.
So we can put it in the same query,
Yes. But what is the difference between the above table and below table? The above one is base table. The below one is a language enabled table. See here
Uh,
you can see the data
yeah.
source name, description, whatever you put it,
Mhm.
source language, and all other stuff as well. You can see. Yes or no?
So source can also be in different language or it has to be in English?
No, it is English. We are only enabled English.
Okay. No,
Okay.
otherwise, is it possible to have other languages for the source
Yes,
as well?
yes, it's possible.
Not just for the output.
Default one, we are into the operations instance, right? It is English. Okay. If it is a client level, they will be going to enable different languages. Yes or no? Okay, so different languages it is going to enabled by enabled. Okay, those are sysadmin people will going to take care of that. Okay, so you no need to worry. But as your work should be into the tables and where that all the data definitions, what is short name, what is the application, and what are the source name of that, and all these things you have to look on it. Okay. At the same time, view language also you can see. DS data definitions, view language. Okay, so here you can see source language things, and so these tables are very important, madam. Okay, so maybe you can going to keep on mind something. Okay, again here also you have a source code only, data source code. So what is the difference between the above table and below table is? So
Table,
the above table is, see here, this is source code.
they're both
So,
same. Oh, tail and wheel.
see, so the above one is language enabled, right? So
Uh,
here this is going to view language. So you can see more columns, view language enabled. At the same time, start date, end date also there. The data definition, start date, end date. Okay, data source status, C. Okay, and also you have logs also. Logs is nothing but so source of data log it will be going to store. So what is mean by data source logs means I will be help you more. Okay.
that's like the big chunks of data.
here here also what is the join, what is the join you can able to do, what
The
you have.
application
No,
for the lob code,
no. So
depending on what we want.
no, lab code is there, language, territory, and file text code, and file data, and program. So where we have some of other things as well.
Mhm.
But what is the join? We can lab code is nothing but our data source code,
Data
right?
source code, okay.
Let's see. No, even I also forget it. Long time you used it.
Why do they use different
Where lab
lob code? Is different?
lab underscore code equal to, see, this is the one.
Hmm. So you got
Now,
to see.
so you can see XDO file type is XML data template, XSLFO, RTF. So these
Um,
are the things it is available.
see different types. Yeah.
Now your file data B lab is there. File data means whatever that you are uploaded, right?
Mm-hmm.
No, you uploaded or not?
Mm-hmm.
No, I click on download. Okay, some X file, some XML data template. Let's see. So I want to download this into training. Mm, is it downloaded now?
We have to see in the folder.
So this is very important for you, madam. Keep on mind. Okay. So you should have to get the files in what is that? Is it coming? This is
Log,
the one, right? This is
yeah,
the one, right?
XML
Now just now we downloaded this one only.
notepad.
Correct. See? Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Your RTF layout you downloaded through the backend. You got me?
Yeah.
Whatever the RTF data template is there, right? The data template you downloaded from here.
Mm.
You got me, right?
Yeah. Can we do it once again? How we did it? We went to the B log,
File data,
file data, and
and B lab double click it,
then double click it.
and pencil will come. Click on pencil. Here you can see download.
Okay. So yeah, okay, I got it.
Okay, so in the RTF
I
layout
have a
also you can
question.
do.
So this file then stays inside the database, not as a pointer to the database. No,
So
it's
one more
the blob.
XML data,
Blob is inside the database itself.
right? Layout, through backend. Okay, so done. One more downloaded. RTF layout is downloaded. So do you want to see that RTF?
No, it's okay. I think we got it.
No, you can't go on the backend always and do the things, right? So
Yeah,
simply you can do it from like this also.
yeah.
So this is going to very helpful actually. So layout, see here.
Uh-huh.
So I try to opening it. So where I need to open what
Notepad.
document? MS Word. No,
Yeah.
layout, RTF
Layout.
layout.
Yeah.
See your RTF layout.
Yeah.
You got me right. Suppose you want to do some modifications. Okay. Suppose if you go and asking for this access. Okay. You don't have access. What you can do? You can do through the backend application.
Backend, yes. So what I'll do is I'll just upload it from the blob file itself. I'll upload a new file. Can I? It's
No, you
possible.
can't upload through the backend. You
Okay.
can able to download, but you can't upload.
Okay.
So do you have any upload access here?
No, maybe
See?
here.
No.
No, only the download. Yeah.
Okay. Only you can able to download it. You can't upload. Okay.
Yeah.
So XDO labs. See, suppose someone is going to asking you in the interview or like that. See, suppose.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to download the data definition and RTF layout in the XML Publisher one
Mm-hmm.
without front end access.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to tell it you can able to download through the backend called as XDO labs.
Mm-hmm.
With lab code is a data definition short code
Yeah.
and a template short code.
Yeah.
Now it is the templates. Okay, now the templates means again you have go back into copy this short code. Again go to templates. You are attached the data definition to template, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no? Yesterday we did the same
Yes,
thing
we
only,
did.
right?
Yeah.
See here, your data template. This is the one.
Mm-hmm.
Open it. Okay, so here you can see all the template details. Suppose if you want to do some modifications, you can click on update. Okay, so edit configuration or edit update or something. You want RTF
First we
layout.
have it and then
So you can modify whatever you want. Okay, so now you can go and see the backend tables of the template again. So these tables are very important. Okay, so you can see all.
all the
What is the what you know here? Where
all the templates.
template code.
Yeah.
So template code is nothing but suppose you know only concurrent program name. How do you going to find that data definition and template based
So
on the concurrent program?
so I have to do a join with the
What is the giant condition?
where see the table first. I have to go to the XOD templates and then going to go to the right template code where I have the data definition template code. have to go to the concurrent program. Hello?
So concurrent program. So what is the giant condition? So this is the concurrent program name. Okay. So you did the
Yeah,
concurrent
yeah,
program.
concurrent program. Okay, user concurrent program name.
No, user concurrent program. How do you going to know that? How to know based on the user concurrent program name? How to find how to find the data definition and template? What else you know? FND concurrent programs, TL we did, and VL we can do. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Select star from these are very very important. Okay,
Yeah.
FND underscore concurrent
Programs.
and program VL. FND concurrent programs VL. No, FND concurrent 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 programs VL. Right. What giant condition you can do?
Concurrent
Program
program
ID.
ID.
So now TL you can't get that. Okay, where concurrent program ID equal to your concurrent program ID and ran it. So what is this one?
This is the
Concurrent
concurrent
program
program.
short name.
Dot name.
Understand? Concurrent program short name. Got it right? Concurrent program short name. Got it? So here coming into this data definition, the data source code is nothing but
Short name.
what short name?
Concurrent program.
Concurrent program short name is nothing but a data source code.
Data source.
Concurrent program short name is nothing but a template code. Here you can see template code. Now you understand join between XML publisher and concurrent program.
Little bit. I got confused. Which program to link to which one? So in the template, we have the data source code, which is the same as um,
hmm
data definition short code.
Correct. Data source code, not the definition short code. Okay,
No,
data
data
source code,
source code in the
concurrent program short
template
name.
B table.
Right. So here you have again in the data template. So template code is nothing but a concurrent program short name. Keep on mind that. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So again here you can see. Suppose you know the table name. Okay. Sorry, concurrent program. You know how to find the data template. Tell me. You have the short code, right?
I have the short code. Yeah.
Yeah. So the short code should be concurrent program short code should be data template code. I mean template code. You
Yeah.
got it here,
Yeah.
right? So like this we have the tables. Okay, VL we have fields we have. Again fields also you can see. Fields means what?
Fields
Shall I
of the
start from
template.
template fields,
The
madam. Template
template.
fields. So template fields. Template fields is different again. Okay. So template fields. So what you have? Join
Where
condition.
where
Hmm.
where
Template code.
the code is equal to.
So any fields came,
Yeah.
it's nothing any fields. Okay. You can go and see the units also.
How come there are no unit fields in it?
Fields are enabled. Okay, so maybe that is the reason. Let me see the units as well. Units, okay. And what is the giant condition here also? Template code only.
Template code.
Here units also not enabled. Okay. So generally this is a text instance, right? In production, definitely you can see those.
Mm.
Fields is nothing but these only, madam. Okay. So let me show you those. Where is this Word document?
So this the fields, yeah.
No, no, no. Fields is nothing but this one, madam.
If you go to the XML file, we can see.
Not XML. Here. So
Or
these
the
are the
yeah.
fields. These fields. Okay.
Hmm.
So these are all fields you can going to see. Yeah, so at that time values we have untranslated unit values and unit properties something. These are not much of important. These are the main tables we have major important. Okay. So are you clear of these tables?
Kind of not clear, but yes.
Okay. I'm putting XML publisher tables, huh?
Yeah.
Tables. So better
So
to copy these things into
what
your
I
local.
yeah yeah I will yeah.
Okay,
What I
right.
understood is that like sometimes the template code is same as the data source code or the data. Hi.
Right. So do you see now suppose if I will going to run this output, how many records are coming? N number of records are coming.
Yeah,
Yes or no?
yeah.
So N number of records, how it will be going to support? How that output is coming? Hello?
Hello,
Yeah, yeah. How that output will come?
at the table.
Uh, no. So table means what? No. See, suppose 10 records are there. Ten records output, how it will be going to generated? Are you write any loop condition here?
No,
Then how it will come? So
because
record by record, how
because
it will come?
we have the data group or some kind of tag.
No, madam, we have loop condition. See here, F, F is there, right?
Yeah.
So one second. See, suppose if I am going to add here, it is F is there, right?
Mhm.
Huh. Can I see here?
Yeah, you can.
Default text is F. Add text. What is this one? Can you see? For each colon G1. For each condition.
Yeah,
For condition it
it's called
is.
loop.
For loop. On which column it is? In G1, group 1.
Mhm,
Got it?
mhm,
So what is that group? Okay, see here, data template. So now for each G1. Here you have group, right? Yes or no?
mhm.
Now are you able to see G1?
I have to see where it is. You can Google
G1.
G1.
G1. See?
Yeah, yeah. That's what I was saying. You were in
Huh.
that group definition.
This group for loop is started, and whenever how many records are there, that number of records or loop is going to repeat it.
Mhm. I got that.
All the outputs. Sir, where this loop is ended, sir? You can see here E, right?
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
So you can going to see the E condition.
That would be the data group. No, data source tag.
No, yeah, that is end for each. End for each means whatever the loop you started, the loop you are going to end it here.
Mhm,
So in this loop, you have between of these all the columns. These all the columns data is going to repeated. How much time, how many records are there? That number of records are going to printed. Once all the records are over, it will going to exit that loop condition.
mhm,
Clear?
mhm, mhm.
So are you going to use only this loop or any other conditions also we can apply? We can apply different kind of things. Understand?
Mhm.
So what are those? It is. So now how to create? See now this. You can going to how to write a loop in RTF layout. Can you see?
Yeah.
You have to use for each group and for each.
Mhm.
Okay, how to design sub templates in RTF layout? You have to using the template. You
Mhm.
have to use the template colon template name. So how to use sub templates means, so within the template you have to create n number of different templates. See, suppose my template is this one. I want to use one more template also down. Yes, you can use.
Mhm.
Got it, Ra?
Mhm.
You can use it to one more sub template. Okay, so I can use it one more also like this. How many use? You can use n number of sub templates.
Mhm.
You got me?
Mhm. What if I want
But
to do a loop within a loop?
see, suppose now something it is related to uh, the output is going to different from the country wise. Okay,
Mhm.
the report output is different than company wise.
Mhm.
So at that time you can going to put it call the templates, different templates you can going to call it. How to call the templates is template using the template tag. You can see here template
Mhm.
colon template name. This is the last page n template.
Mhm.
So I am going to printing this particular message on particular area. At that time I am going to using this sub template.
Okay.
Okay, and also you can be going to see, suppose something I want to print my in my report PDF output.
Mhm.
In PDF output I want to print something in header,
Date.
like whatever it is, date or page number or logo or some customer
Mhm.
address or supplier address. In
Mhm.
the down some you want to put some note or some
Mhm.
instructions, whatever
Mhm.
it is.
Mhm.
Whatever it is, suppose at the time how do you going to call the templates? You can going to call the header and footer parts using call header or call footer tags. You can going to use like this way, call
Mhm.
header and then call footer. Okay, we have to use the header section. Wherever the header section is there, call you can use. The
Mhm.
same call header section you have to do in the body level as well.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, moving on to see, suppose break. Break means, suppose now I printed some output. Once the output is over, suppose now you are trying to printing PO, purchase order summary report. Once the PO and lines data is over, new PO is coming. At the time, whenever the new PO is coming, I want to going to break the page and going to start with the new page. At
Mhm.
the time, you can going to use the split by page break. This is the tag, XML tag. We have to use into the split by page break. See, for each at the rate of section customers, so this is the group name, and then you can going to use it into split by page break.
Mhm. Mhm.
So automatically it will be going to break that section and started with the new page.
Mhm.
Got it? And then if you are going to calling multi layouts, multiple layouts you want to call, you have to use when choose condition. Choose
Mhm.
condition we can use. Choose when condition. See, suppose choose when condition vendor, you can going to call it your custom vendor related template. Again, when choose when condition again. See, suppose first one is choose, followed by n number of n conditions. Got it?
Mhm.
If this your parameter you are passing cf underscore choice, you selected as a vendor, then this template will going to call. Suppose if you pass as a invoice, cf underscore choice means your parameter, you pass into invoice, so at that time invoice template will pick. If you pass receipt, at that time your receipt will pick. And when and choose. So now my question is, how do you going to develop multi layouts in BI Publisher
Mm-hmm.
RTF layout?
Mm-hmm.
What is your answer?
How? Again, can you tell me again?
How to create multi layouts in XML Publisher RTF layout?
So basically, in the top, we will have a menu choice, maybe something like that, and give the options. And depending on the options, like you have to use this choose thing, and based
Choose
on
things
that,
all madam. Choose condition you have to use.
yeah, and
Okay.
based on that, we will produce like a different
Different layouts.
layout.
Whenever that particular condition is true, that particular layout will going to
Will be
call.
triggered.
Is it possible to call all the layouts same time?
No, yes, we can have with the page break.
No, the question try to understand. Is it possible to call the all the layouts one by one?
I think so.
How it's possible, madam? Only one condition is the true always. If first condition is the true, means second one will not going to execute, right?
That's true, but can't we like we have to repeat the same thing?
No.
It
See,
has a
if
parameter.
first parameter is the true, second one why it is going to execute? Parameter you have to pass only single value always.
Mhm.
That value should be either a vendor or invoice or a receipt.
Receipt.
Any one of that. You can't pass all at a time, right?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
You got me? Are you clear or not?
I mean, technically, it should be possible to do anything if you program it that way.
How it's possible technical everything? No. Some
Mm.
limitations is there, right? See, either you have to pass any single value. You can't pass all the values at a time. You got me right?
Mhm, mhm. Can't we change the behavior of the template when we say when CF choice is all?
No, madam. See, I want to run as a invoice. I
Yeah.
pass the
I
value. See now in the parameter, how many values you can pass at a time in the
three,
runtime?
one,
Huh?
one, one.
Then one. How do you going to call it now? Three.
No, if we have one more parameter, all, which would
All
mean
of
that
how it will be
vendor,
going to no. If you put all
uh
also, how it will be going to execute all at a time?
then we have to have a different concurrent program.
That is different case
That's
again.
a different case. Yeah, that's what I meant.
In this case you
In this
can't, right?
case, no, we can't. It has to be one
Right,
of these. Yeah.
right. So you can going to use some total calculation tags you have, okay, and you can going to
What is
how
this
to
R total? Okay, total.
total values, okay, suppose total sum of the values, and also you have how to submit a layout through the backend. Through the backend also you can going to submit your layout.
Uh-huh.
FND request at add layout.
Yeah, yeah, I get your point.
Okay, this is the API. You can call, going to call this API automatically. It will going to
Mhm.
submit. And how to display the images in XML also. You have to keep your all the logo or image
Mhm.
under this path.
Yeah, I get your point.
So if you're going to use this automatically through this path, it will going to pick it. Okay, and at the same time, page
Any
number.
URL, it can be like also within the file location. It need
No,
not
no.
be like
Oracle provider standard
ah,
URL path.
only Oracle.
Yes. Okay. So and also you can going to pass the page numbers in the RTF layout.
No, but
Suppose
if we
page
have our own logo somewhere in the
one logo only they will going
that
to give
page.
it. Okay, while we are going to authorized vendor with Oracle. So they
Mm-hmm.
will be going to give the accesses.
Ah, okay.
Okay, and the page numbers where the page number want to start. Okay, and also
Mm-hmm.
you can going to see last page is going to pivot display
Okay.
separately. Suppose in the last page we want to say it thank you for generating the output. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the report. This is the last page. You
This
can
is the
going to
tag
use
that we use, right?
yeah
Start
that
at last page.
right. Yes, the same tag start at the rate of last page first body and the
Uh-huh.
body you can use. So these are the major
Major
XML
tags.
tags.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
major
Very
XML
useful.
tags.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
useful.
So I will be going to share this. Okay. So just you can
Yeah,
have a look at once and
yeah,
then
yeah.
you will be going to see in practically few of the things. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions so far?
No, can we modify that report and incorporate an image in
Which
that we have that report layout?
which one you want to modify? This one you want
The
to do?
layout. Yeah, yeah.
Here we can going to do it. Okay. Manually also we can design it. I will show you one more report, not this one. I will
Hmm.
take it separate report and manually we can design it.
Manually, we can do it. Yeah, that's also a good idea.
Manually we can go and design it. So I will not going to do this with okay manually we can plan it. So this is the way. Okay. So manually we'll plan it a different SQL query and then we can going to do it one more report and
Mm.
I will show it few of the tags how to use it.
For example, let's do this thing. POs closed
That
today.
is the what. That is
Okay.
the what. I will give that total 10 reports requirements. So maybe you can going to prepare SQL query and you can going to start practicing. So that I will be going to uh, uh, help you. Definitely you can able to do it on reports. Okay.
Mhm,
That is the what. You can see that we will going to look at two more sessions for reports.
mhm,
After session reports are over, we
mhm.
can go for either forms. Once forms is over, we can go for interfaces. Once interfaces is over, and then technically we'll be going to show that all the flows related stuff.
Yeah, close
Okay.
and then maybe one OAF page, one session,
No,
and
no. OAF phase we can't discuss.
we
So
can.
it's not under Oracle Apps Technical. That is a fully different
Different
course.
phase, yeah.
This is
But
why this is Oracle
debugging tag,
debugging. We can do debugging. That is comes
debugging.
under
We
interface
have
level. We can interface
if
level
we
it will
have
come.
a page and that has an issue, like can we do some learn how to debug that?
Not page, madam. It's
Not page.
interface validation. That
Okay, okay.
PLSQL code debugging.
Yeah, SQL only. Okay,
Yeah, that we can do. That we can do. Okay.
okay.
So that we can do. So let's. Any questions so far?
Nope.
Okay. Okay. Fine.